Hello there and welcome, or perhaps welcome back to another awesome moment here on the Mr. Travelex YouTube channel. Today we are having an insider tour of a gorgeous ship. Yes, this is the Regent Seven Seas Navigator ship. If we haven't had the pleasure to meet before, my name is Addison. I'm the founder and CEO of Reliance Cruising. Thanks for stopping by the channel as we have this gorgeous look at this magnificent ship. Any questions you have, you can reach out to my team and I at any time. You can reach out at hello@reliancecruising.com. Again, that's hello@reliancecruising.com. We always say if you're not reaching out, you might be missing out. So if you want to make sure you have the best deal, the best service, and of course the best expertise to guide you each and every step along the way, well, we're here for you. But for now, let's go ahead and jump straight into this insider tour of the Regent Seven Seas Navigator. Let's go. there you have it. This has been your insider peek of the Regent Seven Seas Navigator ship. Again, any questions you have, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can do so at hello@reliancecruising.com. Again, that's hello@reliancecruising.com. My team and I, we offer 100% complimentary concierge services to guide you along the journey to creating those memories for a lifetime. Also, in that description below, there's lots of information you can look at, so definitely do that. There's information about this ship and all the other ships in the fleet as well, and we'd be delighted to answer any questions you have on that. Please do make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel, where there's so much information you definitely don't want to miss about everything Regent Seven Seas and also our partner company with Reliant Destinations with Sandals and Beaches Resorts. Thanks again for stopping by this channel, and I hope to see you around very soon on this channel and perhaps even sometime on board. Bon voyage.